Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that's been game changer for my work life, and that is metal fidget spinner. We are not talking about those plastic toys from 2017. These are premium adult focus tools that have seriously improved my focus during meetings. Imagine you are sitting in a meeting trying to focus on your colleague is saying about quarterly projection, but your mind starts drifting and think about weekend plans or God knows where. Before you know it, you miss the crucial information. That was me until I discovered this one. And the best part? Every spinner or fidget I'm showing you today is under $30, which is pretty incredible for the craftsmanship. I keep one of these on my desk during video calls, and a subtle motion helps me stay present in the conversation. It's just enough sensory input to keep my hands busy and my mind focused on what's being discussed. If you struggle with staying focused during long meetings or presentation, I really recommend getting one of these and give it a try. So I'm gonna show you one at a time. I'll show you and explain a little bit and then go quiet so that you can hear and feel the fidgeting of that device. Let's go. This one is like a Tesla truck looking metal piece, very good sound. And the second one is also good one. It's a metal. And the smaller one, there's also metal. It's a tiny bitty. Plays in your hand, your finger. This is the one of those quieter ones who have anxiety or something. I use it to keep a focus in my meeting so that my mind does not start wandering and stop losing on what people are saying in the meeting. This is very good tool. Very quiet, no make noise, but keeps your mind focused. These last two are among my favorite ones. This is one of my favorite one. It's like a kind of a gun barrel looking kind of fidget toy. Also finish and everything also looks like that. Bearing is very smooth, adjustable screws. Make a very slight a bit of noise and bell comes out like this. Also side by side. Yep, this one is my favorite. One of these one, the tiny bitty one, don't use it much, but it's a good spinner. You can see it's also a metal piece. I like to play around while meeting is going on. And the last one, my favorite, is this one. This one is also metal. It has a spinner on both sides, and this is free one with a bearing. But interesting thing is it takes a little plastic kind of bullet looking thing. You press it against and have fun with it. So the target, open it up and then put it here, close it up, and then this is where it comes out from. And if when you press here, it's gonna come out. Maybe it's gonna go faster, you might not see it, but I'll see. Here we go. Oh, yep, it's my favorite. Also you can play like this. So yep, so all these are my little bitty toys to play around while working. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you like and if you wanna see more videos from me. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.